Hello everybody, Puffbear Cooper here. Let's start today's daily connections. Pulp biopic. Alright, first of all, let's take a look what does this mean. Movie dramatizing the life of a particular person, typically a public or historical figure. Okay, fan, calcium, pole, concentrate, science, group, historical, juice, collect. What is this? How do you pronounce it?
Chemise.
Chemise? A woman's loose fitting undergarment or nightdress, typically of silk or satin with a lace trim. Okay. A priest's help or supplies. A smock. What is a smock? Loose dress, decorate with smocking. Its upper part closely gathered in smocking. Overgarment. Okay, so it's some historical meaning. Sway. Triglyceride. Triglyceride. A type of fat called lipid that circulate in your blood. Okay. Weight and cluster. Okay. Calcium. Some kind of element. Calcium. Triglyceride. Biopic. Biopic. Movie dramatizing biographic, blend of biographical and pic. It's a movie. Science. Are those historical? Are those different kind of genres of movies? Group. Collect. Chemise. Chemise? How do you, hold on a sec.
Chemise.
Chemise, okay. Cam. Calc. Calculate. CLC. Cam. Chemistry. Calc. Historic. History. HIST. Trigonometric. Ready? Maybe the first four letters are referring to cam, yes, referring to a subject that you could learn at school. Bio, concentrate, Pulp. Weight, ending with 8. Pole, pulp, biopic, fan, calcium, concentrate, science, group, sway. And hold on, group, cluster. And pulp juice, which you can find in a drink. Calcium. And these are the things you could find in juice. Pulp juice, triglyceride, and calcium. Concentrate. Juice, pulp, concentrate. How about sway? Move or cause to move slowly, arithmetically backward and forward from side to side. Control or influence. Yes, that's fan. Bio. So calc of lime or calcium used chiefly in geological terms of lime and calcium. Subject. Calculus. List of calculus topics. Thinking about it, so because this word is so far off the spectrum with everything else, so I've concluded this must be something in a harder group first of all, and then it should be something like CHEM, represent for, short for chemistry. Yes, so calc is short for calculator, or maybe calculus, right? The subjects you could learn at school. Historical, short for history, histology or historian, yes. So this might be it as well. Trig, short for trigonometry. C, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deal with the relation between angles and side of. Yeah, maybe it's trig. Wig, class, juice, concentrate science group. Yeah, bio. Let me give this a try. Okay. So I'm on the right track, obviously. Bio. Short for biopsy. Biological opinion. Biopsy. So I'm thinking maybe not historical. So this is trigonometry, chemistry, calculus, and we need one more. The WEIG. Cluster, software algorithm, pulp, bio. How about concentrate, concrete, concentration, concerning. No, that is not a subject though, is it? So maybe take away this, because this can also, belong to another group. With something contained in the blood or some kind of liquid. However, I cannot see anything else that fitting this trend. Grow, historical. It's one off. That is very, very concerning. Maybe I need to check it from a different angle now. Collect, group, cluster, and collect, group, cluster, and concentrate. These four should be related to something that is a mass. Yes, a mass. That is clustering together, right? Okay, that one is gone, so it makes the picture easier to understand. Have juice, sway, weight, pull. Oh, so this is influence on something. Pull, sway, weight. Yes, those are pulp. How about pulp? I know it could be something floating in a juice if you freshly squeeze fruit. Popular or sentimental writing that is generally regarded as being of poor quality, crushing to something. Juice, historical calcium. How about fan? Does fan have any meaning of control of any sense? Increases strength of a fire. Coal, especially a personal part of the body, by waving something to create a current of air. Disperse or radiate from a central point to cover a wide area. Fan, member. An apparatus with rotating blade that create current of air, of cooling, or ventilation. Yeah, I'm thinking sway, pull, weight, juice. I'm just not convinced that juice. So extract, take anabolic steroid or other performance enhancing drugs. I don't think it's juice. What a pulp, juice, fan. If this is fan, okay, then we have cam, calc, trick. Let me give it a guess now. One away again. So pull, sway, and weight. Pretty sure. Calcium, chemise. Historical. Shift, shimmy. So yeah, so this definitely. And calcium is just an element, chemical element of an atomic number 20 of soft gray metal. Yeah. And the triglyceride is definitely not in this group. Historical? No. Fan? No. Chemise? No. Science? I don't think so. Juice? Okay, let me. Juice mean influence. Do we have this? Often signify influence, power. Oh yeah. I'm thinking, yeah, juice might be it. So it's influence. Exactly. Now what we have here, we have chemise, calcium. Biopic fan. Oh yeah. That is like a genres of movies. Biopic, pulp. So pulp as genre. The genre refers to a style of fiction that was popular in the early to mid 20th century. So this is a genre. and science, fan, and historical. So I'm still trying to put fan biopic. So fan as a movie genre. It's not recognized. Not recognized. Pulp, historical, and science. Huh. Biopic. Hold on. So let me start with this. So these four, I'm pretty sure it's the starting words that can mean a subject or a field of study. Especially this and this and this. So that means historical is a genre, right? Historical genre. Historical fiction, fan fiction, pulp fiction, and science fiction. If that's the case, do we have pulp fiction? Yeah, we have fan fiction, which are, yeah, and we have science fiction. Yes, I'm thinking, yeah. Fan fiction, pulp fiction, historical fiction, and science fiction kinds of fiction. Yes, and finally, BIO, the first three letters. Biology, or the starting with, different subjects or field of studies. Let's see. Yes, hold on. Let me take a. Starting with math and science classes for short. Biology, calculus, chemistry, and trigonometry. Okay, got it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in tomorrow's episode. Puff Bear out.